Rumble, one of our biggest events of the year. 6 p.m. start time, $10 for that event as well. We return here January 18th, Hawkamania 42 Genesis. 7 p.m. start time for that event. Also only $10. Get your tables at www.wildwoodsaloon.com. But right now, it is time for our main event. Introducing first, representing the Chosen, the Shug, Shane Hollister.
Championship, but tonight I go one-on-one with Shane Hollister. Now here's the thing, anybody that's gone to SCW Pro for even a year knows that for a long time SCW loved Shane Hollister. People look, yeah, you remember, right? Everybody loves Shane Hollister. I love Shane Hollister. But then Shane, you get with these jerk-offs? What do you do? These guys are not going to help you. What? You want me to say what again?
Say it one more time. Krotch.
You dare me to call you guys jerk-offs?
Oh,
us. Come on, son, let's go.
Let's go!
Right here in Iowa City. Y'all ready for that? I want it, Mary. Come on, baby. Come on, you know I want it. Let's go.
Well, hell, ain't nothing but I can say, but it's on now, baby! Let's go! Tornado Tag Team rules, which means there are no rules!
This is probably a very good time to remind the audience here, if the action looks like it's coming your way, grab your stuff and get the hell out of the way. Riley Robinson literally just looking at me and shrugging his shoulders.
That means the referee is only here to count a pin or record a submission, but this is 3-on-4 tornado tag. Anything goes. All men in the ring or out of the ring at the same time. You're getting two to the legs of one-on-one Rob Manders tonight.
All right, Eric gets that. Hey, 275,
Triple bionic elbow.
275, you probably if you kneel.
Manders showed what he learned in Japan.
The chosen making sure the fun games don't last long. Numbers being come into play. This is a 4-on-3 battle. The chosen have the main advantage.
Oh, watch out here. Krotch.
Right through the extra sauce. That extra saucy right hand.
Right to the jerk off. You can't blame Krotch, Manders, and JP Finger for wanting to get everyone involved in the match, but it's still 4-on-3.
Drop kick to the back by Krotch. Now Krotch will lead champion of the ring. There's a lot of people all over the place.
You're bigger than me.
That's right. Way bigger than you.
Elite laying in the beat down here.
Oh, chin breaker by Manders. Oh, send Elite champion flying.
With a time.
Yes, 1, 2. 2 count only. The chosen. Oh, drop kick to the shin. The chosen taking a pounding here. Oh, pulling Justice Draven back into the ring.
Draven in there one-on-one. Krotch now.
Draven might be the only happy person to be called a jerk off because at least he's not being called Emo Braveheart.
It's not
obviously, I think the Chosen have a little gameplay there. They're trying to isolate Krotch.
Sure, making sure everyone knows where his loyalties lie. Krotch laying in the big rights though. He is in no man's land right now.
Krotch trying to fight him off. But the numbers get right here. Krotch is a hell of a fighter, but there's no way to beat a 4-on-1. see it coming.